Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Brasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Yep. Today we're making goat meat and smoked fish light soup. Papa B, come with me to the kitchen. From the beginning of the soup. Beginning of your soup. Wa manchine na to ho na afi me de me jene chopped nicely me the account na afi na manesis me de me all spice na kakra account aha woman yeah good de me tomatoes kakra and my spices my blending. Spices are my blending and also fresh blend spices and fresh onion. That's green onion. Spring onions, yes. And sage kakra, basil kakra, ariwa kakra. That's calabash nutmeg ariwa. And what else? Pepper. Habanero peppers and so ekam. And spices we use to be to me eddie na rosemary kakra. And never had any ginger and so kakra any garlic and so kakra. Basil. It's a say I come. I'm not sure. Fine. The means sugar be too. Hot water. Yeah. Come. Monani. That's our soup. That's our soup. Okay. Tomatoes. Kakra egum. And I made the carrots kakra and so egum. Here so dun I come. This is saying you are me fish our Tim it become Tim I mean fun to me because okay. This is saying if you need tomatoes, I'm blending it. Come on. Hey. So I come carrots. Hey. Okay. Yeah, easier. Okay. This is saying spice way me do buy spice na me nyain the kakpa bi account because me de any bi account chin. Okay, I made make blended carrots negum the carrot na me blending na me de gum I made make carrots the road and also gum. I'm a country made in Chinica Grand, so I support and crabbing. It's in Yavy. It's a soon look a cry and kind of having. You're warm already. The Fufun swamp. You know, I got a pepe. A punch a bugger. Punching. Smoked fish. And try be but modern not try be. Hey, buswa fwe, kind be you. Can't be for again, bra. Yeah, and I'm not so soft enough for you to chew. We ping cat now fan tour because to marry. I am soft enough. Comfortably, choppably, eatably. Okay, into young quani ye quana adokon. Akono ankasa. She. Thanks for watching. You, Midamasi. Yeah. Marrying few. Thumbs up, oh. My thumbs up, I'm the name with them. Comment, share, and subscribe. Someone subscribe here. Why? Midawasi. Mkwana F. This is aponchi and smoked fish light soup. Send ya me yen Mama need all that lights. Oh, emo do kakrabi like medium. To bet me dead you mo. Bet me anom nesa. Why? Thanks for watching from my whole Brazil kitchen. Love you all.